Hey everybody, today we're going to be doing some fried chicken. Okay, so I'm going to tell you it's real easy. I'm going to give you some ways where you could go ahead and what seasonings to use to make your fried chicken taste really good, and it's really easy. Okay, so of course you're going to need some chicken. I'm sorry, you're going to need some chicken. Let's do this right here. Hold on, let me lift this up. Okay, so you're gonna need some chicken. I'm doing chicken legs today, but you could use whatever, chicken wings, chicken thighs, whatever you want. We're gonna use some chicken. We're gonna use some vinegar. I know it's empty, but I gotta get another one. I'm gonna get the new one. You're gonna use some vinegar. And what you're gonna do with the vinegar, when you open the chicken and you wash the chicken, you're gonna wash it with cold water or warm water. You're gonna wash it with warm water. After you wash it with warm water, you're gonna pour vinegar on top. Doesn't have to be a lot. You know, maybe one. Yes, baby. Give me 1 minute, mama. Okay. Yeah, I know. Go. So what you're gonna do? You're gonna take your vinegar. Not a lot. Maybe half a cup, depending on how much chicken you're gonna do. And you pour the vinegar on top of the chicken. And you wash it also. You massage it with your hands, and you get all the vinegar on all the chicken. Then after that, you're gonna wash it off with the warm water. You're gonna wash the chicken back off. Make sure that all the vinegar is out. Keep empty in the bowl, and clean the water out. And after all the vinegar is rinsed off, then you're gonna start with your seasonings, okay? And the seasonings you're gonna use, we're gonna use some salt. We're going to use some salt. We're going to use some pepper, some regular black pepper, regular salt. Right? Oops. We're going to put some adobo in there. Okay? We're going to put some adobo in there. And we're going to take a Sazon packet. Okay, depending on how much chicken you cooking, you could put 1 or 2. It just depends, and that's all you need. And like I said, so you need this. You need the adobo packet. The Sazon packet. The Goya adobo. Some salt. Some pepper. And maybe we'll try a little garlic salt and a little garlic salt. Just a little bit, not much. Okay, so once all of that is mixed up together, then I'll be back. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, everybody, so after you clean the chicken and everything, and you season it, this is what it should be like. All the seasonings in there, and it'll be a little bit red from the Sazon, but don't worry, it's going to taste so good. So this is how your chicken should look now. So after you clean the chicken, season the chicken, after you clean the chicken and season the chicken, just pop it in the refrigerator, probably like for a good 30 minutes, so it can like soak in and rest a little bit. And then after that, we're going to take it out and we're going to start frying it up. All right, so I'll see you back like in an hour. Like in 30 minutes or so. All right, bye. Hey everybody, okay, so this is the part where we're going to start frying the chicken. So of course you're going to put some oil in a pot, and what you're going to do is when you see that the oil starts bubbling, and you see those little bubbles in the pot, of course that is letting us know it is time to fry. So what you're going to do, you're going to go ahead and you're going to get a separate bowl. You're going to get a bowl, and you're going to put flour inside the bowl. Once you do that, but you're going to, of course, it has to be a bowl big enough to fit chicken in. So once you do that, you're going to go ahead and you're going to take your pieces of chicken one by one. You're going to dip it inside the flour, put the flour all over, and then you're going to start putting the chicken inside the pot. Try not to overcrowd it, because the more chicken that you put in there, the heat is going to go down. So try not to overcrowd it too much. I know it appears like I have a lot of chicken in this pot, but this pot is pretty big. So if you see now, you see how the chicken is just is just frying perfectly. And it's gonna be probably like about 15 minutes. I say keep it 15 minutes on each side. So after the first 15 minutes, you're gonna go ahead and turn the chicken over, and then you're gonna fry it another 15 minutes on the other side. Um, After a while, before you flip it over, you're gonna notice that that there's going to be blood appearing on your chicken. When you see the blood coming out, that is a great indicator that your chicken is doing perfectly fine. So don't be alarmed. Don't be scared. That's normal. So, like I said, after the 15, you flip it over, keep it over on the other 15, and once you're finished, I promise you, your chicken will be a nice, beautiful golden color. Of course, if you like your chicken darker, you keep it in there a little bit more. If you like it, you know, crispier, um, I know some people add like buttermilk to like their mixture. Like first they dip it in buttermilk, then they put it in the flour. Go ahead, put it in some buttermilk, put it in the flour, then put it in the pot. They say that gives a crispier. I haven't tried it yet. Maybe I'll try it next time. But however you like it. But like I said, in about 15 on both sides, it should be perfectly fine, and you'll have some great chicken, juicy on the inside and very tasty. So let's get back to the video. Bye, y'all. So as you can see, I'm getting ready to flip over the chicken. I don't know if you've seen the blood on top, but it's been about 15 minutes, perfectly fine. See, it's getting flipped over, perfectly beautiful color. Um, Sorry, but my camera was beeping and the battery's running low, so I couldn't show you like how it is out of the oil, but I just want you to see how it's frying perfectly. So remember, after you flip it over, you just fry it for that last little 15 minutes, and enjoy your chicken. So if you like this video and you like this recipe, stay tuned to Fernie. Bye.
Yeah, baby.